Hello guys! Ngayong araw, pupunta tayo sa Paumbong, Bulacan. At andito tayo ngayon sa Anilao Road. Puntahan namin yung dati naming palaisdaan kung saan naging bantay si tatay. Ito nga pala ang kabayanan ng Paumbong, Bulacan. Dati dito kami dumadaan kapag pumapasok ako sa school sa Bulacan State University from Hagonoy. Sikat din itong Paumbong sa mga sinakuloy at yung nagpapapako sa krus tuwing Holy Week.
Hindi na natin madadaanan yung RL.
Hindi na.
Magbangka tayo. Pwede. Pwede magbangka sa Sapa. Yung ay yung Pasagwan. Pwede.
Ang liit ng kalsada dito guys, sakto lang yung isang kotse. Hirap na hirap pa kaming pumasok. Ito nga pala si Kasanti at hindi kami kasya sa boat niya kaya maglalakad lang kami.
Andito po kami sa Paumbong. Sa Kubo. Ay, nakalayo na si Kasanti. Bilis. Ayan. Dito ka na. Ito. Kasaba. Ay, kaya mo yan ay.
Ano lang.
Tay! Ay, si Jeric muna.
May nanay tuhod ko eh.
Oh.
Diyan na lang kaya ako tumata.
Oh, pwede naman.
Magtutulay pa ako.
Challenge. Extra challenge.
Hindi man lang kasi tinugit. Eh,
Ito. Diba nga dati kawayan lang?
At narating na nga namin ang kubo ni Kasanti pero hindi kami dito mag-i-stay. Ang tawag nga pala dito ay sasa o palm tree. Pero maraming uri ng palm tree, no. Ito ay mayroong bungang sasa na yung kanilang katas ay nagiging suka. Ayan yung bungang sasa. Yan, pag naging ripe siya, tinataga, tapos yung katas doon ay nagiging suka. Kaya ang Paumbong ay very famous sa sukang Paumbong. Nakakamiss din pumunta talaga sa kabukiran, no? Kasi tingnan mo, puro greens yung makikita mo. Tapos presko yung hangin. Ayan. Itong tinatapakan namin, ang tawag dyan ay pilapil. Nagawa lang din ng tao yan. Hindi pa ito yung binantayan ni tatay nung bantay siya sa palaisdaan. Pero malaki yun, ekta-ektarya. Ganyan ba yung itsura, palaisdaan, tas lalagyan ng mga hipon, bangus, tas palalakihin, tas uhulihin. At ngayon, sasakay na kami sa boat o ang tawag dito ay lunday na may motor para puntahan yung dati naming palaisdaan na binantayan ni tatay. That is way back 1989 to 1997.
Targas yun.
Kasagwan ka rin ba tayo?
Wow, sasagwan.
Ha? Eh doon sa kabila. Sa kabila ng
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the road. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I don't need room to guess. When it ends, it ends. When it ends, it I did it all, I played pretend. I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Remember the start when everything starts to fade. Back like it's yesterday. Would it almost end? Would it matter then? I did it all. I poured away on my shoulders like it was fate. Don't tell me it was for nothing. You told me love wasn't true 'cause it didn't feel real to a cynic like you. But I'm pretty sure we walked into something. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end.
may kubo rin. Di nasunog yung kubo ni Jerry. Nabantayan ni Jerry. Dari patalunan yan. Mali pa rin ito bakit. Oh, man.
Naidadaan saan sa iyo. Nakarating ba kami dito pag bibigo?
Wala yung carpet.
Alin?
Ang carpet din yan.
Alin? Diba? Anyon? Anyan pa po.
Nabenta na yan. Nabenta ba? Pwede. Hinapunta yun ito.
Daming aso.
Namumuro ka?
Tinanim to ni tatay.
Guys, ito yung 10 hectares na palaisdaan na binantayan ni tatay noon at ni Kalando. Yung kubo niya nandun sa kabila, yung tinatawag na central. Tapos ayan, prinsa yan, dyan nagpapakawala at nagpapapasok ng tubig para mapalitan yung tubig sa palaisdaan. Kasi pag madumi ang tubig, mamamatay ang hulog na isda or hipon or crabs.
Ibon o. Nakakamiss. Ito yung likuran before. Ito yung bangko ni tatay. Ayun yung central. Yung kubo namin. Ano yung nasa likod? Bye-bye, kubo. Sawali. Na kami.